God bless you. You see why I've been talking about these people? They have been fooling themselves. They have been lying. Then, if truly that the governor Mbah, Peter Mbah, is speaking the truth, what is the essence of him begging Mr. President to give him more security? If he's speaking the truth, since people have freedom, they have free movement for over 1 year and nothing happened to them, why are you now asking for security more? That means he's lying. Yes, he's lying. That means they have been sit at home. Because Mbah cannot secure people's life. Under his nose, under his watch, 17-year-old girl was raped by 5 Fulanis. Only one farmer who tried to rescue the girl was shot dead. That was last year, around May, June. What has he done till today? No, nothing, no news, nothing about it. Just towards either early this month or last month. Okay, that was last year too. We saw where a farmer in a farmland rice, where Fulanis with their gun. You understand? In the same Enugu, they surrender the farmer and the workers, and they order their cow to eat up the rice. And the rice was ate up by cows under the watch of Mbah. I don't know, is Mbah now asking Mr. President to give him security to fight Fulanis, or to fight those for sit at home, to come out by force from their house? I want to know. The angle is coming out from, because if you say there is a free movement since 1 year, there will be no need of asking for more security, because they are secure. That is why they are coming out. They are well secure. There will be no need of asking for it. And let me tell you this. This is why I always hate things like this. People like this that cannot speak the truth. Today is Monday, my brother. I want you to channel your focus on Enugu State. Today is Monday. Then let's find out. Let's find out if truly Mbah is speaking the truth or not. As I'm talking to you, Mbah is sitting at home. People are sitting at home. People are already used to it. People are no longer worried nor bothered about it. It's no longer affecting them nor disturbs them. It's no longer stopping them for anything again. So why is it that Mbah disturbing? Mbah should stand up and disturb those Fulanis. Mbah should stand up and do the right thing, do the needful. And let me tell you, Mbah that said there is a free everything 1 year whatsoever. Have you forgotten, Mr. Mbah Governor, when your filling station, when you deceive people, that they came out, and that your deceit led the people and your filling station to set ablaze up to today? Have you fixed it? Probably you might have fixed it because you are the governor. You can use people's money, you can use government money to fix it. That have been the system in the country. You understand? Well, you know what I am saying. If there is a pure security and people are moving, why should and why must your filling station set ablaze? And you didn't talk about.
But it didn't come out to.
You didn't talk about it.
We didn't. But although it was several reports that carried
it. It's a pure thing.
That information, but Peter Mbah himself didn't come out and react as because
yes, he's supposed to. He should have. Yeah, he's supposed to react, or he should have reacted.
It might not be his filling station. Do you know?
Who will tell you?
It's possible. It might not be his.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, it is his own. Because they cannot just wake up and attack some innocent people. You get it? If anything happen, they don't go against. See, you know, thank God that one of our brother came back from the east. Everybody peacefully. It's only when you look for their trouble you see them. I have traveled. As I'm talking to you, my brother is at home. Everywhere is at peace. But they are just trying to tag this IPOB or whatsoever. They are just trying to be tarnishing their image. And let me tell you, do you know why they kept on doing this? They don't want freedom to come to Biafra. For they know that they have messed up. They know that they are scared of their stand because they have air. You see why they are doing what they are doing today. You see why they keep doing what they are doing. And they continue doing what they are doing. But a day is coming. The truth will surely speak. They know they cover pregnancy. It's just for a while. It go everybody shoot outside. Okay? I just this was it some days either yesterday or day before yesterday. I saw where Sanusi, after the attack of Aerofire to Tinubu, you understand, Sanusi came up either yesterday or thereabout, tackling Aerofire too, that he himself used 8 years using government money to pay Boko Haram. You understand? The other one, what is his name? Gumi, then they become the mouthpiece, the chief negotiator between terrorists and Nigerian government. And that is the country where we are in. CDS Musa is not looking at those people to do something. Then Simon Ekpan is the problem. And the so-called politicians in the southeast are there all the way from north down to east to come and kill the people you're supposed to protect, and you didn't do anything. And look at what happened one time. They say we will look into it. We find out that up to today, what has happened? Nothing. Nothing. So let me tell you, my brother, leave this man. Leave this man. Nigeria, Mbah, your people should mind what is minding you, face what is facing you. Leave IPOB alone. Sit at home is not a problem of Nigeria. Nigeria should sit down and look inside and see where their problem is coming from.
But why was Mbah not telling President Tinubu to, do the needful by releasing Nnamdi Kanu?
Mbah will not.
So that the sit at home will stop
across the south. God bless you. That is the kind leader we have in the southeast. Selfish ones, self-centered. Because of their ego, they say that Nnamdi Kanu is a man speaking the heart of the people. And while them are selfish, speaking the heart of their own family and themselves. You understand? You see it. So they know that by the reason Nnamdi Kanu, when he speaks, even some of their agents that they are using, those ones that they are manipulating, some of them will pay attention to Nnamdi Kanu. They will turn their back against them. You see why they don't want to speak. You see why they don't want. And then let me tell you, all the stealing monies they are stealing in our state, in our place, they will not have that access again, because some things will stop. If Biafra come, my brother, all this money laundering, we will treat that for up. You see, that nonsense will stop. Because they will not be given an opportunity to steal again. Because you must give account of whatsoever that comes from your state. You must give account for that.
But a lot of people have come out and said that I don't know how true it is, that because Ngozi is about what? About including Tuesday to the sit at home. But a lot of people have come against this and said the Monday alone itself is causing more pains or havoc, to the people in the southeast. Then adding our own Tuesday, he said that's for Mondays for Ekpa. Adding our own Tuesday, will this not compile more woes for the people of the southeast?
Yes, that Tuesday own. every Monday and Tuesday every week. No, no. On that area, on that side, no. She's a woman I love so much. But adding that Tuesday, let's hold on that. Let's hold on, Mama. Yes, kudos to you. I love your energy. I love your mindset. I love your determination. I love your dream. I love your vision. But for now, let us hold on the one that is already on the ground and hold it more effective. You understand? So that let us not be doing something that we kind of later begin to piss our people off. You understand? We begin to pay. No. Let's maintain it. The people have already decided, they have admitted, they have accepted. Let's maintain it because they have been maintaining it. Let's leave it there. That's my own humble advice. Yeah, leave it there. That Monday on is okay.
Okay. And finally, as for Peter Mbah, requesting or soliciting with Tinubu for more security aids, do you not think that according to what ECPA and the likes have been saying, the lack of Holy Ghost, say they don't want the military, and the Nigeria forces in the southeast. Do you not think when there are more military forces in the southeast, do you not think this will cause more issue?
I'm not speaking of more military now. That's not the reason why I say she should not go ahead with.
No, I'm talking about Peter Mbah now. Peter Mbah that needs more security, more hands, against this sit at home.
Even if you bring more military already are recruiting 40,000. You understand? And I believe they are not, even if they are not recruiting it before because of the southeast, they are recruiting it for Nigeria and in Nigeria. You understand? And all the 40s is not only for southeast. So even if you bring more security, it will not. Sit at home is not something of force now. It has become a willingly thing. It has become a choice. Yes, it has become something, a welcome omen. You understand? It has become something that people, yes, we are happy. We welcome it, no problem. There is something I want you to understand. Since January 1st till December 31st, Baba, if you know make am, you know make am be that. Why I say this, before sit at home, people have been running business from January 1st. No a day exceptional, no exemption day. Yet, Nigeria remain the way it is. Nigeria never, nothing. Instead of growing, they are going down. Now I sit at home. The point I'm trying to make here is this. If you rest on Monday, maybe on Monday you rest. You didn't go out. You have your peace with your family. Relax. Baba, if you are going to be millionaire, you will be a millionaire. And if you remain poor, you remain poor. Not sit at home that cause you poor. And not sit at home will make you not to be millionaire. I run business too. Before the call of God became too serious to the point that it has to close both I've told you, my house, property, everything got pawned that I don't want to carry Bible. You understand? And the business closed. And in my business, I'm a kind of person that every 6 months I sit down within me. Am I moving forward? What have I achieved in 6 months? Then in the next 6 months, let me know what next to do. You understand? I always have plan and budget for myself every year when I was running business. And in business, I come to realize that if God wants to bless you, not how early nor how late. Sometimes the business of the day comes in the morning. Sometimes the business of the day comes afternoon. Sometimes the business of the day comes when you are about to go. The business people, which are the Biafrans, understand what I am saying. They knows what I'm saying. So if you are going to be blessed and favored any day by God, you understand? God knows time and when to give you. And that is what makes us man. The meaning of a man is this. Man simply, M stands for morning, A stands for afternoon, N stands for night. And that is why in life you see people making it at the early stage. You see people not making it at the early stage, they make it at the middle stage. You see people when they are at their old age, you see them making it. I will give you an example, a popular Nigerian musician. To this Yoruba. Yes. When did he become too popular and when did he make money? It was at his night time, that was old age. And few years he died after making the money. You understand? Look at the former governor, the oldest governor during Obasanjo time of Ondo State. You understand? That was the 99 thereabout. Obasanjo tenure. I think either his first tenure or his second tenure. That man, at the age of 60 to 70 something years, he became governor of Ondo State. You get it? So, and I ask, what happened at the age of 20s, 30s, 40s to 50s, that at the age of 60 to 70, he became governor? So, and that is the analysis of man, morning, afternoon, night. The blessings of God as well goes like that, either early, middle, and later. And that is why in the book of Jeremiah, is it Jeremiah 33? Go and read it. You understand? So God will have covenant of the day, covenant with the morning, and covenant with the night. So also man. So that one day will not stop them not to make whatsoever they want to make in a whole year or in a whole week. And God bless you. But that Tuesday on is what I know for now. And
Themselves, they have their own proof.
Yes, let them go. I will be happy. CDS Musa, congratulations. God will strengthen you. Go. I'm encouraging you to go with your enough evidence. But there is something I want to point out. The people that bought Mazen Nnamdi Kanu house is not what is this called? Simon Ekpano. The people that pump people's houses in Osumeni, it's not Simon Ekpano. The people that invaded Mazen Nnamdi intend to assassinate him, it's not even Simon Ekpano. Operation Python Dance that armor tank and co went to Aba to slaughter people to Umuahia. It's not Simon Ekpano. They are Nigerian uniform people. I want you to have this at the back of your mind. In case you don't forget, all these things are accumulated acts of Nigerian military. So take a look back so that before you appear before the International Court of Justice, you will know how to defend it. Yes. Because you are calling Simon Ekpa now, say some people carrying gun or some people attacking your men, illegal airport whatsoever. Now, did Mazen Nnamdi Kanu carry gun? Did those boys carry gun? Ordinary normal protests that give every citizen of any country right to air their view based on the bad governance or bad government. You understand? That is not against the law. Everywhere in the world, both in Palestine, in Pakistan, in Iran, Iraq, Israel, USA, Australia, Germany, every corner, everybody have rights to do protest. Of which, in Nigeria here, under Jonathan, a serious protest was held here in Nigeria, a serious protest organized by the current sitting president and other people. You understand? All over. And people protested. Nobody was harmed. Nobody was hurt. Jonathan did not accuse anybody, including the ministers of God. You understand? Nobody was hurt, no shoot aside, and no children were not taken to court, to station, to starve them for 90 days, for them to slumber. You don't understand? Everything went peacefully, and Jonathan did not. Why is it that in this government all these things are happening? You understand? It is now that I understand why the elders said through the adage, they say person wey dey kill no dey like make dem carry knife pass him back.
But see, there's Mr. come and say that all this accusation is just for him and the military to look bad. That all this accusation.
Yes, the accusation, as he said, is for the military to look bad, but for his own information, had he did his job well, there will be no need of accusation. Moreover, we are not in the military. What is the military doing outside? We are in democracy. In democracy, it is the duty of the police, not the military. So if there is any accusation, Musa should take it, because first and foremost, he caused it. And two, if you say they are accusing you, there is a video, a clear video which starting from Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that I've already showed to the world, and that still continue up to this very date. They still continue capturing the Nigerian uniform men with their listing, their logo, with everything. That qualify them that yes, they are Nigerian military. You understand? With their uniform, everything is on social media, everything is on video, everything is on record, and everything is in the hand of the international bodies. You understand? So it's not that maybe when you say you accuse me, maybe if it's only recording, or those faces or those things are not real. You get it? You know, when you say something is not real, I remember back in the days that we have time to watch some all this Indian film, they are speaking English. If you watch them, you will know that this one is recorded something. It's AI, not them that is speaking that English. You understand? But it is that one is different from what is already at hand. You know, Nigerian did not, military did not know that the CCTV is a Mazen Nnamdi Kanu house. You understand? That pick many of the things that they carried out in the south. You understand? And it's even currently now in the southeast, most people are using it in the house. Most people, those buildings they are bringing down, military setting ablaze, bringing down, setting on fire, killing and whatsoever. There is an evidence. You understand? And that is the reason why the journalists in that Al Jazeera throw that question at him. Because they themselves have already seen it. They have seen everything. They have analyzed everything. And I know that's why I asked to hear from him. And I have said that he's ready and prepared. Just as he said that he has prepared document and forward to Finland, of which those things were a lie. That one was capital lie. He didn't forward anything.
But a lot of people have come out and said that if Sides Musa is sure, as regards what he's saying, that he's ready to go to the ICC, that just recently, the AGF of Nigeria, Latifa Gbemi, just begged the ICJ to tamper justice with mercy as regards, the probe against the military in Nigeria. So he said if he's so sure of that, why was the AGF apologizing to the ICJ?
Now, you see, he will be interviewed, he will be asked questions. Instead of him to, although, yeah, it's a normal thing, you will like a kind of to defend the image of your country and the image of the uniform. You understand? Yeah, it's good. But you have to, if you want to defend it, you defend it with credibility. Then when the AGF now came, was pleading for an apology to temper mercy. You understand? Justice with mercy. And you are coming in this side saying you are ready. Are you not seeing confusion between the two? Are you not seeing that Musa is not getting it right? Musa is not telling us the real truth. He's lying. He was just busy on air saying what he cannot do, what is not true. You understand? That with this, it have already shown that Nigeria is not going to appear in the ICJ. They will not appear. Rather, they will do everything to count. They have been running away. Oh. It's not today.
No, but if he said they will not appear, but from the way he said in that interview, he was so confident. He said
Yes, he said he's not afraid.
He said yes. He said they have their own fact that all what the Nigerians, both from the north, from the south, is what they just want to make him look bad. That's their own motive.
Now
to demoralize his people for working.
Now that means, in other words, he's now speaking on the side of the military, not Nigeria. You get it? He's now speaking on the angle of the Nigerian military, not Nigeria. So it's now separating themselves from Nigeria. So in other words, permit me, and I stand to be corrected, based on this statement, the way it's going. If the AGF, Attorney General of the Federation, is pleading for mercy, and he himself saying he's ready to go to defend their image, the uniform image that are being messed up. You understand? That means he's trying to speak onto say, they are not the one that acts. That means they act under instruction. Hello? That means they are acting under instruction, not that they are the one that acts. Because if you come to look at it like what I have said before, that this is democracy. It is the duty of the police to act, not the military. So for military to come and be acting, and has been acting under why we have democracy, that means there is a mix up somewhere and something is wrong somewhere.